The Path of Hussain, a Legacy of Truth and Sacrifice. Narrator, with emotion and clarity. This is the story of a man who stood up against tyranny and raised the banner of truth. His name was Hussain ibn Ali, A.S. Narrator. It was the year 61 AH. The land of Karbala. Yazid represented injustice, oppression, and corruption. And Hussain, the beloved grandson of the Prophet Muhammad, refused to bow to falsehood. Narrator. Imam Hussain, A.S., left Medina, traveled to Mecca, and finally reached Karbala, where water was cut off. Children cried in thirst. The elderly weakened. Mothers wept. And martyrs lined the battlefield. Narrator. Hussain sacrificed everything. His sons, brothers, nephews, loyal companions. Even his 6-month-old son, Elmiqessai. But he never surrendered the truth. Narrator. At last, the moment came when Hussain stood alone. Swords, spears, and arrows tore his body, but not his spirit. Narrator. Karbala was not just a battle. It was a message for all time. To resist falsehood and stand firm for justice. Hussain taught us. When you bow to tyranny, truth dies. But when you stand for justice, history is made. Narrator, with energy. Hussain, A.S., lives on. In every heart. On every tongue. Because Hussain is not just a name. Hussain is a message.